I would say that at the very beginning on a project, it always makes sense to try an out-of-the-box solution, a standardized solution, whatever you want to call it, just to get a feel of what it's possible, making sure that it's something that gives value to you and your company. And when you've been able to hack something, or at least get an idea or an intuition of what you could detect, that it's useful, that it's something that it would be valuable for you and your company, then you can study a custom solution. So in general, I'm a big fan of starting with standardized solutions, just because like my priority as a data science consultant is always like to validate the idea as fast as possible. So that's the thing that I normally try to focus on. And if a standardized solution is going to help me to achieve that, I'm all out for it. But once we've proven that this is something useful and we see that we can gain a meaningful performance benefit by actually having a custom model, doing some sort of custom modifications to make it more tailored to the customer, then obviously that would be the way to go. The problem of relying only in standardized solutions is that they are standardized. That means that they are supposed to run everywhere. And there's always a trade-off between like being super general and you cannot be like data specific. And when you create a custom solution, normally what you do is like you start from a general model and then you train it on top, meaning that you are not effectively starting from scratch. That is one of the biggest advancements that we had in recent years in computer vision. So whenever we have to create a custom solution, we are not retraining from scratch. That would require a big amount of data, hardware, and so on. We are simply training on top a general solution and making it more precise. That means that the amount of data, the amount of processing power that we require is much, much lower compared to what it used to be. So while standardized solutions are great to start, I think like there's always a place and time for both.